Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, in today's video we are going to see a very delicious fish recipe, which is bhetki fish masala curry, which can be enjoyed with steamed rice or jeera rice. So friends, let's get started with this yummy fish recipe. So for my fish masala curry, I have taken here 6 bhetki fish pieces, and now I'm going to marinate them by adding some salt, say around 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now rub the salt and turmeric powder well over the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for at least 8 to 10 minutes. After about 8 to 10 minutes, heat a non-stick karhai, and into it I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add the fish pieces coated with salt and turmeric powder. Keep the flame on medium to high. After about 1 to 2 minutes, flip the fish pieces, and we need to fry them until they are golden brown from both the sides. And by now the fish pieces are fried golden brown, so I will take them off one by one and keep them aside in a plate. There is still some oil left in the karhai, and into it I will add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will impart a nice red color to the gravy. Next goes 1 large onion chopped. And now we need to fry the onions till they turn golden brown. By now the onions are fried golden brown, and now I will add 2 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste, and we need to fry the paste well until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. And now time to add the puree of 2 medium tomatoes, and we need to fry this well until oil starts to separate from the paste. And now time to add some spices. Here goes 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, some salt as per taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your spice level, and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder. And now on low flame, we will fry the paste for a while along with the spices. Next goes 2 tablespoons of thick cashew paste, and on low to medium flame we will fry the cashew paste until oil starts to separate. So by now all the paste and spices has been fried well. At this stage I will add some water to form a gravy-like consistency. Now increase the flame to high. And once the gravy comes to a boil, we will add the fried bhetki fish pieces. Coat the gravy over the fish pieces. And now we will cover and let the fish simmer in the gravy for just 2 minutes on low to medium flame. It's almost 2 minutes now. The gravy looks good and it has thickened slightly. And now I'm going to add a small bowl of coconut milk. Now mix the coconut milk well into the gravy, but do this slowly, otherwise the fish pieces might break. Finally, I'm going to add half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder and 1 green chili split into half. Give a final mix. And our rich, creamy and spicy Bhetki fish masala curry is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our rich and spicy Bhetki fish masala curry. Enjoy this delicious fish curry recipe with hot steamed rice. Also do share your feedbacks. And friends, if you enjoyed my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.